Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SELinux for security on CentOS VPS, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your CentOS VPS using SSH. You can use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal on a Unix-based OS. Once logged in, check the current status of SELinux. Run the command sestatus. This will display the SELinux status and current mode. If SELinux is disabled, you can enable it by modifying the configuration file. Open the SELinux configuration file using a text editor. Type sudo nano /etc /selinux /config. Look for the line that reads SELinux equals disabled. Change this line to SELinux equals enforcing to enable it. You can also set it to SELinux equals permissive to log actions without enforcing. After making the change, save and exit the file. To apply the changes, you must reboot the server. Run the command sudo reboot. Once the system restarts, log back in via SSH. Again, check the SELinux status with the sestatus command. It should now display that SELinux is enabled and in enforcing mode. If you encounter issues with applications, you may need to set contexts or adjust rules. Use the command lsz to view the security context of files. If necessary, you can modify file contexts with the chkon command. For more comprehensive management, consider installing policycoroutils and CTools tools. These tools can help in managing policies and analyzing SELinux logs. Familiarize yourself with SELinux policies to understand better how they affect your applications. Running in enforcing mode adds a layer of security by restricting unauthorized access. Regularly review and update your SELinux policies as needed. By following these steps, you can successfully activate SELinux for enhanced security on your CentOS VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.